Oh, hello Tia.
What is wrong, Sam? You look puzzled.
I am trying to understand these macroeconomic concepts.
Well, first you need to remember that in economics, investment is not the same as putting money in your savings account or in your company 401k.
So, if that is not it, what is investment?
Investment refers to the purchase by firms of new capital, like equipment or buildings.
But if that is investment, then what is saving?
Saving in economics is more like what we normally think of as saving. It is what we have left over after we buy what we need or want.
Yes, but how do I calculate saving for an economy as a whole?
That part is easy as well. Do you remember the formula for GDP?
Sure I do. Y equals C plus I plus G plus NX.
Great. Now let's use one of our simplified models. For now, let's assume that we are in a closed economy. That means we do not trade in goods or services with other countries. That means we can ignore NX. Then we are left with GDP equals consumption plus investment plus government spending, or Y equals C plus I plus G.
That sounds simple.
Now, to calculate I, or investment, we need to move I, so it is alone on one side of this equation.
Okay, I can do that. Just subtract C and G from both sides of the equation. That means Y minus C minus G equals I.
That is correct, Sam.
Great. How do I calculate public and private saving?
Remember, saving is what is left over after we buy what we want and need. In an economy, saving is GDP minus consumption, minus government payments, or Y minus C minus G.
But we said Y minus C minus G equals investment.
That is right. Now we know that saving equals investment, or S equals Y minus C minus G, and S also equals I.
Okay.
To calculate public and private saving, we need to add a term. How does government get income?
Government gets income from taxes.
Right, so for governments, what we call public saving is taxes minus government payments, or T minus G.
What about people who pay taxes?
That is private saving. To calculate private saving, use the formula private saving equals GDP minus consumption minus taxes, or Y minus C minus T.
I understand that.
Now, just add public and private saving together and you have national saving.
Okay. National saving, or S, equals private saving, represented by Y minus C minus T, plus public saving represented by T minus G.
What happens when, like now, the government spends more than it takes in from taxes?
That would be a budget deficit, and if taxes are more than spending, it would be a surplus.
You have it. That is saving and investment in economics.